When the fieldwork of this project started in February 2018, we were able to rescue 100 Stockholm coral fragments impacted by hurricanes Irma and Maria from 4 different reefs at the island of Culebra in Puerto Rico. Unfortunately, less than a week later, the shores of the island were once again surprised by extreme weather in the form of a strong winter storm carrying 20-foot waves and 35-knot winds. After inspecting the shape of our experimental sites, it is safe to say that the consequences of this event were comparable to those of last year's hurricanes. Indeed, more than 75% of the coral fragments recovered died during this event, and most survivors lost their identification tags, leaving them useless for our experiments. Under such a gloomy scenario, we had no other choice but to race to the challenge of building our experiment all over again. However, we could not afford to have all corals at the mercy of another potential storm over the next year. Thus, after a general team meeting, it was decided that 2 experimental sites at 2 different reefs with different orientations will be set this time. However, the logistic implications of this idea were enormous. Instead of 100 fragments, we will be looking at 200 fragments in total, plus setting transects and nails for a new location at 2 different depths, and all in just 2 days. Fortunately, the outcome of this trip exceeded all expectations. We were able to recover our experimental plots at the original reef site and created new ones in another one, rescuing 200 fragments from 4 different reefs around Culebra. Overall, we outplanted a total of 400 coral fragments at 2 different depths and in 2 different sites. The success of this mission was possible thanks to an intensive coordination, diving, and tagging operation featuring a team of 10 people, including scientists, students, and volunteers from FIU, UPR, and SAM. We will continue to monitor these corals monthly for a year, obtaining results that will help us understand how corals acclimatize to stress and providing keys for their conservation and management in the future.